Okay, you sit down properly. And mommy will show the book. This is an apple. This is a car. Okay. Let mommy show you. Let mommy show you, baby. This is a ball. This is a ball. This is a cat. Si mommy, si mommy, si mommy. And this is a dog. What's this, baby? Dog. And this one is a duck. Yes, darling, it's a duck. Let mommy show you first. This is a boat. And this is a flower. What's this, baby? Flower. Wait lang, darling. Wait lang, darling. Okay. And this is a train. And these are... Ayusin ko properly, anak. And these are shoes. These are shoes. Okay. Show mommy where's the flower. Sunflower, baby. Sunflower. Where's the flower? Show mommy. Wait to mommy. Where's the flower, anak? Show mommy. Turo mo, turo. Turo mo yung flower. Saan dito? Saan dito flower? Saan dito yung flower, anak? Yan! Ang galing-galing naman ng baby! Nasaan? Where is the dog? Saan dog? Yan yung dog. Very good. Hindi, anak. Ito yung dog. Yung unang tinuro mo. Very good. Where is the cat? Saan cat, anak? Nasaan yung cat? Wait to, mami. Saan? Turo mo. Turo mo, nasaan yung cat, anak? Naning, saan dito yung cat? Turo mo kay mami, nasaan yung cat, naning? Saan cat, baby? Turo mo na, saan yung cat, baby ka? Where's the cat? Oh. Ay, suso. Gusto mo, ikaw maghawak. Hindi pwede, naning. So, teach na tayo eh. Teach ka ni mami. Where is the apple? Saan apple, baby? Ay, naku. Kit-kit ko na nga yung baby ko. Kit-kit. Kiss, kiss, Mika. Kiss, kiss. Kiss, kiss.